Hi, hello everyone. This is Raghaveni of Standard 9th from ZPHS Indiranagar, Siddipet, Telangana. So, today we are going to learn a new app, that is English Speak and Talk app. It is very useful for conversation and we can improve our English language and speaking skills. All we are know now 21st century, the English is a leading language. So, we have to improve the English language in this pandemic situation. So we have to utilize this opportunity. At first, we have to go to Play Store in our mobile or a system or etc. So, and then we have to type as Talk app or then Talk app English. You can type like this also, and you can see like this. Yeah, English speaking practice talk app. Here we can see I already installed, so it is showing as open. Now let us see like what is the features etc. At first, let us see about, yeah, for this app it is useful for practice your English speaking and listening with short English conversations. So we have to see the likes, views, and rated one, etc. Here we can see 4.6. It means 32k reviews and rated for 3 plus and 5 million downloads. And here we can see rating and views. So there are 32,722 ratings and views. So we can see the comments on this app also. So it is very useful for us at first. And let us see the features of this app. Let us see, it is not a paid version, we can use it free with our mobile data, and there is no sign in, there is no Gmail, and there is no difficulties in joining etc. So let us see. At first we have to open, yeah. So here we can see the three horizontal lines: home, bookmark, offline mode, remove ads, and here another one also there, that is we have to remove, and we can remove our ads also, and instructional videos, recommended apps. So there are two categories like beginner conversation, business conversation. If you are a beginner or anything, if you learning new thing now, so you can choose beginner. You are advanced, you can use business conversation. As your wish, you can use. For example, I'm clicking the home. Yeah, here it is home. Bookmark. If you want to star or book give a bookmark to any conversation, you can simply bookmark on this. And if you want to do offline mode, you can purchase. If you want to remove ads, you can purchase or do anything. Instructional videos, like instructions about this talk app. So I will give later. So it is loading, we can see. We have to wait for a few minutes, it will be load. Yeah, I'm skipping the video. Now recommended apps. Like this, there are some recommended apps also we can learn, like English conversation, learn to speak English, English vocabulary. Here we can see 800 lessons and 8000 audio files. So here we can see a few apps, and there is an, we can send our email. If you face any difficulties, you can send, and you can visit the website in the browser or a Chrome etc. So let us see for beginner conversation. Yeah, here we can see the n number of conversations in the beginner conversation. So let us see like how to practice in this. Let us see the categories. At first, chat or a small talk. In this there are 10 categories, and in this also there are divided 10 categories. So and 20 conversation in this, and complaints and feelings and opinions, and also it contains 10 categories and 20 conversations, and daily life, debate, argument. You can choose different type of conversations in this, like problems and advice, about the news, home life, future and regrets, For example, I am clicking like this, chart smart. Yeah, in this we can see the n number of options. Conversations, catching up with your friend, conversations about catching up, conversation about gossip, office rumor, and the old days. Do you remember? How are your kids? Asking about family, busy waking, weekend, and introducing to people. So we can improve our English language with the help of this. Here I want to take this conversation introducing two people. So let us see if there are some ads. Yeah, here this is the conversation. Here we can see the audio also, and we can listen, we can attempt quiz, we can practice, we can record. For example, listening. Let us see what happened it may be.
Have you met Joanne, my new roommate? No, I have not. I'll introduce you when she gets home. Okay, is she nice? She's really nice. She's our age, too. Cool. We should take her to the coffee shop later. Great idea.
Yeah, this is a conversation between Cynthia and Nancy. So this is a conversation. We can see, we can understand, and we can listen. Like how to pronounce the word and how to stop and how to follow the punctuation marks with the help of this idea, and with the help of this audio we can listen and we can. And after that we have to read the conversation and we have to understand. Let us attempt the quiz. Who is John? For example, Cynthia's new roommate. Let us check. Next, or we can check it. Yeah, it is correct. We have got a 1 point. What does Cynthia say about? She is strange, she is not friendly, she is really nice, she is bossy. She is really nice. Check. Yes, we got 2 points. Where Nancy and Cynthia go to the Jan later? To coffee shop. Check. Yes, it is also correct. So we completed successfully our quiz. If you didn't satisfy with your marks, you can attempt more than n number of times if you want to practice. Here you can choose the character for practicing. Here I am choosing Nancy. So we can see me. In the place of Nancy, you can see me. So we have to pronounce the audio text of us. It means we have chosen the Nancy character. If you want to choose Cynthia, simply you can choose the Cynthia. I am choosing Nancy. So let us practice.
Have you met Joanne, my new roommate?
No, I have not.
I'll introduce you when she gets home.
Okay, is she nice?
She's really nice. She's our age, too.
Cool. We should take her to the coffee shop later.
Great idea.
Yes, here we can speak and we can.
Have you met Joanne, my new roommate? I'll introduce you when she gets home.
Yes, here we can listen the audio of only one character. Here we can choose, if for example Nancy. Let us see.
No, I have not. Okay, is she nice?
Yeah, in this way we can practice, we can choose a character and we can listen that one. So I am recording. Let us start with recording. Yeah, here we can see it means audio, and here we can see 3 horizontal one. Let us see. Yeah, these are the saved one. I converse with John and Raul, Ron, Jessica, May, and Roll, Mark, Dinah, Tina, Sujin, or etc. This is about we can record and it will be saved in our saving files. So let us choose one character. I am choosing Nancy. Let us see.
Have you met Joanne, my new roommate?
No, I have not.
I'll introduce you when she gets home.
Okay, is she nice?
She's really nice. She's our age, too.
Cool, we should take her to the coffee shop later.
Great idea.
Yeah, Here we can see record completed. Do you want to save your dialogue? If you want to, if you wish, you will save or you can simply reject. I am saving.
Have you met Joanne, my new roommate? No, I have not. I'll introduce you when she gets home. Okay.
Yeah, in this way we can upload and we can so here we can see the share. We can share in WhatsApp, share via Telegram, Drive nearby, Gmail, and Bluetooth, email, message, etc. We can share in a number of features and a number of options.
Have you met Joanne?
For example, I am sharing in WhatsApp. So I am sharing. Yeah, I had been shared. It will be shared and we can listen, we can practice, we can do anything. So with the help of this talk app, we can practice our English language skills, we can develop our speaking skills of English. Not only that, we can observe the differences between how the conversations in different situations. So soon we learned about the beginners. Now let us see, this is related to about business. Like we can choose different types of categories, different types of conversations, etc. So working from home. So I am downloading. After that, after downloading, we can practice conversation and then we can save, we can share, we can do anything. Yeah, it is some large conversation. Didn't doing anything. I will be recording. I'm choosing the character of Stan. Let us start recording.
Were you here yesterday?
No, I don't come into the office every day.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I just make sure I work 40 hours a week.
You're so lucky.
I know, my boss gave me a flexible schedule because I'm a single parent.
You have a very understanding boss. I would love to work from home. The traffic to work is terrible.
Maybe you should ask your boss about working a flexible schedule too. Yeah, in this way.
Were you here yesterday?
No, I don't come in. So we can share and we can save in our talk app. So this is about talk app. I think you enjoyed a lot. So I hope you are also practice this app and you can use this app. You can improve your language. Thank you for watching.